Alrighty, so tonight the colors that I'm going to use are, I'm just using up paints tonight. So I'm doing another Make Me Beautiful pour. Make me ugly, make me beautiful. And I'm going to use my pigments, the ultramarine and the purple, the pink and the purple. And I've got some phthalo blue and some phthalo green. And then I may throw in some dioxazine purple. It'll depend on how much I get out of these guys. As I am using up paint. So, yeah, one of the things I know I've mentioned, excuse me, I've been talking a lot tonight. One of the things that I probably have mentioned is that I need to make a dollhouse. I do one. Well, I've done 3. This will be my 3rd one. I've done 2 now. The first one went to my niece, kind of in a family fundraiser. We have an auction at our reunion every summer, and that was what I took and donated. That and some of my skincare products. So, and then here's my phthalo green. And then the one that I built last year, I donated to the resources center around here. And they were able to give it away with their Christmas cheer program. So that's what I asked them if they would like another one this year. And they said yes, they would definitely be able to get rid of it. So, and I'll leave a link to the reveal anyway. And I think there's 5 videos in the series that I did while I was making it. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to need that dioxazine purple. I think I've got plenty of paint on here. We'll use it up. If you've not seen me do this before, you might be wondering, what the heck is she thinking? What an awful mess she's making. And that, my friends, is the fun of this. Is you can make something look like that. And you can turn it into something that looks like that, which is absolutely stunning. And I'm not sure where the cells are coming from. Those must be from my white paint. I'm seeing some white ones that I don't care for, and I'll probably go in and blow these out with my little blower. In fact, I'll do that right now. I don't mind the ones that are popping up that are pink and green and blue and stuff, but I do not like it when my painting is overpowered with white cells. Now, maybe I need to give them a minute though, because these are getting a little more pink. Although I don't like that blue spot there anyway, so let's... so I'm going to just let it sit here for a few minutes and develop its cells. I guess I should probably pop the bubbles that are showing up. It's not getting a lot, but there's a few here and there. Again, there's no silicone in this paint. So it's kind of interesting that I'm getting cells, but that's okay because they're not random white cells. They're random colored cells. So I don't mind that so much. Okay, so let's let it develop and then we'll come back for another look. Oh, and I thought I'd take a second and show you these guys too. These are going to become earrings. I've never tried doing them like this. This is just some sticky putty, poster paste, I guess, or poster putty. And these are just little sticks I had. And this, of course, is just a little piece of styrofoam. And they look like they're going to dry beautifully, don't they? Oh, sorry, it's not focusing. Come on, autofocus, work. Sorry. Anyway. It dried a little bit darker than what it looked like at first, but oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. I love those colors, that phthalo green and that phthalo blue, and then those little hints of, look at the little hints of lavender cells and stuff showing up there. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.